Hi everyone, welcome back to another tutorial from Tech for Gamers. Today in this video, we are learning how you can easily report a player in Free Fire step by step. First of all, launch open the Free Fire game on your device and log into your account. From the main lobby screen, which looks like this, go ahead and find your match history or select any player you want to report. This is the person I would like to report. Go to their profile and then look for the little red icon with an exclamatory icon inside it. Tap on that and you'll see this report section. Now go ahead and select the region for the report. Select appropriate region such as inappropriate name, improper avatar, improper profile, and so on. Make a selection and then tap on confirm. Make sure to always report players with a valid region. False or repeated misuse of reporting may result in action against your account. After you make the report, Garena reviews the report manually and the action will be made. Reporting players helps maintain a safe and competitive Free Fire environment. Use the report feature responsibly and encourage fair gameplay within the community. So that is how you will be able to report a player so that the Free Fire community will be kept fair and enjoyable for everyone. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.